Let me ask you something. If you stopped working today, how long could you survive? A week? A month? Maybe not at all? Here's the hard truth. If your money isn't working for you while you sleep, you're on the losing side of wealth. But don't worry. Today, I'll show you 3 passive income ideas that make money 24/7, even while you dream. And no, this isn't about surveys or sketchy get-rich-quick schemes. This is real wealth building. Stay with me, because the third one, it's how millionaires play the game. Most people trade time for money. You work, you get paid. You stop working, the money stops. But the wealthy, they build income streams that never stop flowing. Passive income is the secret weapon, and today, you're going to get the blueprint. Let's start with one of the easiest ways to create cash flow. 1. Dividend stocks. Imagine getting paid just for owning a piece of a company. That's exactly how dividend stocks work. You buy shares in companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, or McDonald's, and they pay you every quarter just for holding them. And here's the best part. Your money grows without you lifting a finger. Reinvest those dividends, and your income snowballs over time. Think about it. Every dollar you invest today is a worker earning money for you. 2. Digital products. Ever sold something once, but got paid over and over again? That's the power of digital products. Create an ebook, an online course, or even templates, and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Shopify. And before you say, "But I don't have anything to sell," yes, you do. Are you good at budgeting, cooking, fitness? Package your knowledge, upload it once, and let the money roll in forever. Now, if you want to think even bigger, let's talk about the ultimate wealth building machine. Real estate rentals. What if someone else paid your bills every month? That's exactly what happens when you own rental properties. Buy a house, rent it out, and your tenants cover the mortgage while you build wealth. And here's a secret. You don't even need to buy property up front. Platforms like Airbnb let you rent out a spare room or even sublet without owning real estate. This is how the rich play the game. Assets that pay them for life. And if you start now, you'll be ahead of 90% of people. Here's the truth. Wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and how smartly you invest. The rich don't work harder, they work smarter. And now, you have the blueprint. The only question is, will you take action? If you want to go even deeper into wealth building, watch my next video on how to invest your first $1,000 for passive income. Click on the subscribe button now and let's build your financial freedom together.